Ever wondered how to set a true GMT watch? Today's your day. I gotcha. Okay, a true GMT watch is going to look very similar to a regular watch with two key differences. You're going to continue to have an hour hands and a minute hands, but you're also going to have a third hand in here, and that is called a GMT hand. The other difference is that you're always going to have some sort of 24-hour bezel. The 24-hour bezel on this Mito Ocean Star GMT is on the interior. So you see this 24-hour bezel on the interior. Many GMTs are just going to have the external bezel have the 24-hour scale on it. And that 24-hour bezel is important because the purpose of a GMT is to be able to track two different time zones at once on one watch, right? So this GMT hand is going to help us do that. Let's get into setting the watch. Every GMT watch is going to have three different crown positions. So if we unscrew this crown, we're going to find ourselves in the first position. This is just for winding a watch like you normally would with a mechanical watch. The second position, if we pull it out one position, that's going to isolate this hour hand. So that's going to allow us to move this hour hand free of all the other hands. And this makes everything really, really simple when we are changing time zones. The third position, if you pull it all the way out, this allows us to hack the seconds, so the second hand stops. This also allows us just to change the time as we normally would with a watch. So let's go ahead and set this GMT. And in order to do that, we're actually going to set the local time, our home time, We're going to set our home time first. So before you leave the house, you're going to set the GMT hand to your home time. So let's go ahead and set it to, we're going to do a nice round number. Let's do let's do 12 noon, right? So let's move it to 12 noon. And we're moving it to, the GMT hits the 12 on that internal bezel. So again, whenever we're doing with the GMT hand, we're going to look at that internal bezel. And look, it says 12 right here. That means we are set to 12 o'clock. We got the minute hands right here and the GMT hand here. That means that our GMT hand is set to our home time. This is where we live. This is home base. So we're set to 12 p.m. We have the GMT hand at the 12 o'clock. We have our minute and hour hand also at the 12 o'clock. Now we're going to change time zones. So imagine we are flying, I live on the East Coast. Imagine I'm flying to Denver, Colorado. And Denver, Colorado is 2 hours behind East Coast time. So all I would need to do when I land in Denver, Colorado is I take this hour hand and I pop it back 2 hours. I push my crown in and we're good to go. Right, so it makes it very easy to change time zones. Now I have our these hands right here, our traditional hands at local time, Denver time, but I still, whenever I need to know what time it is back home, I can look at my GMT hand